Coming at you with another insurance replacement. This is the Generac power washer, pressure washer, whatever you want to call it. 3100 PSI, 2.7 gallons per minute. So let's get after it. This was, I don't remember. I'll put it in the little notation things how much it was, but Lowe's had this and Home Depot had this, and Lowe's had it for way cheaper. So, and it took like 5 days to get it in, but all right, let's get after it. So, looking at these engines, they look like the Honda clone or the Harbor Freight Predator engine you can buy. That was just from the pictures I could see online. Alright, let me get all this taken out and I'll get back with you. Alright, so got it all out. It's pretty easy. The handle was underneath it with some zip ties. Cut those off, put them in. You had the little push tab detent things, whatever, and those go right in. Your hose, that's what that metal thing was, it's holding your hose, and then your gun fits in right at the top. These are all the nozzles it comes with. I did spray a little bit of WD-40 on these to slide them in better, just because I didn't want to tear up that rubber. So it came with all those nozzles, the wand, I guess the extension deal. It comes with this cap. This way you can it's got a hole in there so you can put your hose. I guess it's a 1/4 inch hose or whatever. Anyways, the hose goes from there. We'll wrap around. So I lied. It did come with the hose. We're going to keep this box because it's a nice heavy duty box. So whenever we move, we can use it. And I was throwing out all the inside contents and I was making sure. And yeah, sure enough, it has a hose. You can see it has a little bit of a filter in there. So it also comes with the oil. So 20 ounces. And I was looking on here and it says oil capacity 20 ounces. So here's all the specs and everything. This is for the 3100. Sorry, the siphon hose goes right here. I'm not sure what that is. That might be just a drain or something. So I'm not really sure what that is. It might be whenever you go to winterize, you hook that up. I don't know, but doesn't say in the manual. All right, let's go ahead and throw some oil in here and go from there. All right, so let's get this thing started. So I already turned on the air hose, got all the water out. It plugs in down here. The actual hose for the pressure washer goes up here and swings around, bam, to your nozzle or to your hose. I'd already been playing with it a little bit. It did take probably about 5 pulls for it to start. That's probably to get the gasoline and stuff in through there. But yeah, it does a pretty good job. So, and then another thing, once this is all hooked up, before you start the engine, pull the trigger, let it run, and it'll spit and fart and all that stuff. But that gets all the air out of the line that's through here. And then after that, doesn't matter if there's air in the hose up here. Alright, so on the bottom down here, that is your gasoline on. That's your gasoline on, is all the way this way. That way turns it off, so whenever you store it, turn it off, let it run out of gas. Okay, this is your choke. That's your choke on. And then after it runs good, turn it off. This is your throttle. Oops, still a little sticky. Anyways, that's your throttle. Throttle down, throttle up. So we're just gonna go full blast. Anyway, so turn that on. I got the green tip on. There you go, the 3100 PSI 2.7 gallon Generac pressure washer. Seems pretty good. Y'all comment right. We'll catch you next time. See ya.